In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Wireshark on Windows. Basically, Wireshark is a great tool for analyzing network traffic, and it's really helpful for anyone studying cybersecurity, information security, networking, and others. So let's get started. First, you have to go to the Wireshark official website. So let's first open the browser and write. So this is the official website of the Wireshark. So to download the Wireshark, first click on the download option. So here we are going to install the Wireshark on our window, so which is 64-bit window. So we are just going to click on that, and this will start installing the Wireshark tool. And you can see the Wireshark tool has been starting installing, and it will take a lot of time. Wireshark, as you know, it's a packet analyzer tool. So T-line is a command line version of Wireshark, okay, useful for automated task and scripting. So here it is the external capture tool. Okay, basically external capture tools allow you capturing traffic from external resources. Okay, the external resources like Android dump. Android dump is basically used to capture traffic from the Android devices. Okay, ETW dump. ETW is basically event tracing. Okay, it is used to event trace events. Okay, R&D PK dump. Okay, R&D is basically for random. Okay, here we generate random packets for testing. Okay, if you wanted to check it, then it's up to you. You can just check on it. SSH dump, Secure dump, and Wi-Fi dump. Basically, these are used to capture remote traffics. Okay, via secure shell protocol, Seco devices, and Wi-Fi. So the next one is UDP dump. Basically, UDP dump receives UDP packets from networking devices. Okay, so you can just tick on it. If you see your space required is increasing as you want to check on this box. If I uncheck this, okay, the space must be it must require less space. So I need Android dump, ETW dump, and these all. Okay, I wanted to install all of these, and just click on the next. Wireshark desktop icon, yes, I wanted to make it, and associated file with Wireshark, yes. Make sure you can check on it, because it automatically opens the standard networking traffic files in Wireshark when you double click on them. So just click on the next and select the location and click on next, and it will install npcap. Okay, you have to check this box. Somehow it is disabled in my setup window, because I have installed it already. So okay, so after checking this, you have to click on next. Okay, you don't need to check it and install, and it will start installing the files. So basically npcap, which I was telling you that you have to check this box. npcap is basically a packet capture library. Okay, it is compulsory, or you can say it is required by Wireshark to capture network traffic on Windows. Okay, npcap is basically npcap enable Wireshark to access the network traffic interfaces and capture packets in real time, which is essential for network analysis. So if you are going to install Wireshark, so npcap is compulsory. I have already installed npcap, so you don't need to install it separately. Just you have to check that box to install the npcap. Okay. So you can see here, just double click on the Wireshark icon and it will open here, and let's maximize the screen. So it is finding the local interfaces. Okay, let's see. So here you can see, oh no, I don't need to install it. Okay, so here you can see these packets. Yeah, and here it is the time, so everything is shown here. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.